I think I have traveled more than an average person. I have been on the top and bottom of this strange rock called Earth. I've been to the most visited and famous landmarks, and I have been to the places most people don't know about. They call it hidden gems. I've been to the one of the most overrated and one of the most underrated city in Europe. I've been to the coldest and the hottest areas in the world. I've been to the seashore in Asia, in America, and in Europe. I have been to one of the most expensive and one of the most cheapest country in Europe. I have seen one of the biggest church in the smallest country in the world. I have traveled alone, with friends, and with family. I have seen Jewish culture, Christian culture, and Muslim culture. I have seen many things. But I have not been everywhere, and it's on my list. I plan to continue traveling and will share best locations and places to visit, tips and tricks to explore any country at its most. Please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.